Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mama Lou's Kitchen. I'm your host Angie Lou, and today we're going to be making Doenjang Jjigae, which is a classic Korean stew made with fermented soybean paste. If you've never had doenjang before, the smell can be pretty overwhelming, but the flavor is intense and delicious. Today I'm going to be making it with beef and some anchovy and kelp stock, but you can always remove the beef and the anchovies to make your own vegan version. It's really an easy one-pot dish. It doesn't require a lot of prep. Here's what you're going to need. For the stock, you'll need 8 cups of water, 100 grams of stew beef or chuck, but you can also use ribeye or sirloin, 7 to 8 dried anchovies, and 2 2-inch squares of kombu or dried kelp. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of doenjang, 1 tablespoon of gochujang, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and a 1/4 teaspoon of gochugaru. For the fresh ingredients, you'll need half an onion, half a zucchini, 1 small potato, and half a jalapeno. You'll also need 4 shiitake mushrooms, destemmed, and half a block of firm tofu. For the garnish, you'll need 1 king trumpet mushroom and 3 to 4 green onions. Okay, so now that you've seen the ingredients involved, next I'm going to show you how to make the stock while we prep the vegetables. Let's go make some jjigae! Place your dried anchovies into your tea strainer, then add it to a pot that holds at least 4 quarts. Place your 2 pieces of kombu and beef into the pot, then add 8 cups of water. Place it over high heat and boil for 20 minutes. Dice up your onion, zucchini, and your potato, and shiitake mushrooms. Slice your jalapeno into 1/4 inch pieces. Once finished, your vegetables should look something like this. For your garnish, cut your green onions diagonally into 2-inch pieces, slicing the heads in half. Julienne your trumpet mushroom. Cut your tofu into 1-inch blocks. Now remove your kombu, anchovies, and beef. Next, add your minced garlic. Then, use a small strainer to dissolve the doenjang into the stock, and repeat for the gochujang. Add your gochugaru for that extra kick, and then your platter of diced vegetables. Stir and lower the heat to medium. Slice up your beef and kombu and immediately add them back into the jjigae. You can leave out the kombu, but I like to slice them up and add them back in because they have tons of nutritional value. Cover and set your timer for another 10 minutes. Let's see how this jjigae is looking. Next, portion out the desired serving size into your donabi or tupegi. Add your tofu, trumpet mushrooms, and green onions. Cover and bring to a boil before serving. Alright everyone, our doenjang jjigae is now ready. This thing is bubbling like crazy. Come take a look. Wow, my whole house smells like doenjang. You know you're in a Korean house when the entire place smells like this. I can't wait to try this. Ooh, it's so good. It has a kick to it, and it's really gonna be so yummy with some rice. I've definitely made a bunch, like probably 8 servings, but you can divide it down however you want. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. Pom Pom and I are so excited to share many more recipes with you. And if you ever have any questions, comments, or special requests, please feel free to reach out. Bye-bye now.